So Redmi K72 Extreme Edition is officially announced, and we're going to talk here about the major features that you guys want to hear. Now this phone has a Dimensity chipset, which is basically the 9300 plus 4 nanometer latest technology, and it's also got a separate D1 chip, which is a 12 nanometer discrete graphics card. Basically it states it reduced 31% of battery consumption while gaming. It's also got a cooling chamber. Also it says 3 degrees lower of temperature while playing games, and also it's got 3 configuration of RAM, which is the 12 GB, 16 GB and 24 GB of RAM. Now let's talk about the body of it. It got a metal frame, and the front and the back side of the phone is glass. Basically they call it the Dragon Crystal glass, first time used in the Xiaomi phones, I believe, and it's also IP68 rated for protection. Now this phone has a 144 Hz of OLED display with 4000 of peak max brightness, the 4000 nits basically they call it, and it's also got 2160 Hz of instantaneous touch sampling rate. It's basically crazy. But they also have a regular touch sampling rate of 480 Hz, which is basically most common in the gaming phones, which is more than enough, I guess. And at the back side of the phone they have a triple camera setup, basically 50 MP of Sony IMX906 with 8 MP of ultra wide lens and 2 MP of macro shooter, and at the front it's got a 20 MP of selfie camera. And lastly, the battery of the phone, it's got a 5500 mAh battery with 120 watts of fast charging. And the phone starts at the base model of $350, and now let's talk about the Lamborghini version. They call it the Championship Edition. It comes with config of 1 TB internal storage and 24 GB of RAM. Well, basically that's it for the Redmi K70 Extreme Edition. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe to this channel would be helpful, and leave a like. See you guys in the next video.